Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really simple chunky rib men's crochet scarf. It's currently a free pattern on my blog and the link for this pattern will be in the description box below. Some of the things that you're going to need to make this pattern is you're going to need 2 balls of Lion Brand Hue Me yarn. It's a number 5 bulky weight yarn and I'm making it in the color Fatigues. Okay, but they have a ton of color options available, so you can choose whatever color you would like. And you're also going to need a 8.0 millimeter crochet hook. All right, so let's get started in making this scarf. Okay, so before we start our scarf, I just quickly wanted to go over it because it's very simple and beginner friendly. All we're doing is for the first row, we are just going to be making a row of single crochets. And then for the second row and then beyond, we are going to be making a half double crochet slip stitch, and that's it. It's a very mindless pattern. It would be perfect to make at night when you're watching a movie or if you're listening to an audiobook. Okay, so it'll be perfect for that. And so I'm just going to be making a shortened version for this tutorial, but for the pattern you're going to be chaining 175. Okay, so once you've chained 175 chains, you're going to make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2. So go ahead and insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over one more time and pull through those last 2 loops. And that's how you make a single crochet. So now continue making single crochets till the end of the row. I'm going to go ahead and do that and then I will meet you right back here. Okay, so I just finished my row 1 and you should have something that looks like this, just a row of single crochets. And so now we're going to start row 2. So for row 2, we are going to chain 1, turn our work. Okay, and now we're going to make a half double crochet slip stitch in the back loop. So yarn over for half double crochet, and our back loop is you have to turn it and it's going to be this one right here where I'm pointing my finger to. Okay, so go ahead and insert your hook into that back loop. You're going to yarn over again. Okay, and now this is where we're going to make our slip stitch. So then just pull through like a slip stitch. Okay, so you're starting off to make a half double crochet and then you're finishing off that half double crochet with a slip stitch. All right, and so you're going to do the same until the end of the row, the same stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into that back loop. Okay, and then yarn over, pull through, and then pull through those 2 loops on your hook. All right, so it should look like that. Okay, let's do it one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook into that back loop, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on hook, and then pull through those last 2 loops for a slip stitch. All right, and it should look like this. So now you want to continue to do that till the end of the row. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make those stitches and then I will meet you right back here. Okay, so I just finished my row 2 and it should look something like this. Okay, you're going to see some very defined stitches. And so now all that's left to do for the pattern until row 13 is you want to go ahead and repeat row 2. So all you're doing is making half double crochet slip stitches in the back loop and that's it. Okay, it's a very simple pattern. And so when you continue to do that, then you'll have something that looks like this. Okay, you're going to have a very textured, ribbed, knit-like scarf. Okay, you can see these beautiful little V's that are created by the half double crochets. And so yeah, and so that's the pattern. I really hope you enjoyed this guided tutorial. Don't forget, you can find the free pattern on the blog by clicking that link in the description box below. And yeah, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.